Bedroom wallpaper, more than just decor. Hello, and welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bedroom wallpaper. This common phrase might seem straightforward, but there's actually a lot to unpack. Whether you're sprucing up your space or just curious about interior design, you're in the right place to explore everything about bedroom wallpaper. Bedroom wallpaper is a material used to cover and decorate the interior walls of bedrooms. It's not just about aesthetics. Wallpaper sets the mood of the room. It comes in a variety of colors, patterns, and textures, offering endless possibilities to reflect one's personal style and taste. Bedroom wallpaper varies not just in design but also in material and functionality. Vinyl wallpaper, durable and easy to clean, ideal for rooms that might need a wipe down now and then. Textured wallpaper, adds depth and dimension to walls, perfect for creating a focal point. Patterned wallpaper, from floral to geometric shapes, these designs can make a room look vibrant and lively. Selecting the right wallpaper involves more than just picking a pretty pattern. Consider these factors. Room size and lighting. Light-colored or reflective wallpaper can make small rooms feel larger and brighter. Wall conditions. Some wallpapers can hide imperfections, while others might require a perfectly smooth surface. Personal style. The wallpaper should resonate with your personal style and blend with the room's overall theme. Installing wallpaper can be a DIY project or done by professionals. Here are some tips to ensure it goes smoothly. Preparation is key. Ensure walls are clean, dry, and smooth. Measure accurately. Carefully measure your walls to determine how much wallpaper you'll need. Follow instructions. Each type of wallpaper might come with specific installation instructions, especially regarding the adhesive. Whether it's bold and vibrant or subtle and soothing, the right bedroom wallpaper can transform your space entirely. We hope this video helps you make informed decisions about your interior decor and maybe even inspires your next home project. Happy decorating, and see you in the next one!